Hello everyone, welcome back. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can redeem your Amazon gift card. So whether you have a physical Amazon gift card or a digital one, you can enter in the code and easily redeem it. So to do that, you need to head to the website of amazon.com and then log into your account. After that, you can hover over this section and head over to accounts. From here, you'll see a bunch of options. Along with that, you'll also see an option for gift cards. Click on that. Here it will show you your Amazon card balance, and underneath the balance you'll see an option for redeem a gift card. Click on that and it will give you a section where you can enter in the code of the gift card. So if you have a physical gift card, you can see the code on the back of the card. You need to scratch the card and then you'll be able to see the code number. After that, you can click on apply to your balance and the gift card balance will be added to your Amazon account. And after it's been added, you can easily transfer it to your other accounts such as your bank account, and you can easily withdraw it in cash. It is also useful for purchasing subscription and purchasing products from Amazon.